So this is a squared piece of mesh, not just cut it 10 inches. This mesh was 10 1/4. So I squared it at 10 1/4. Okay, so we're going to take it curved side up, diamond shape. We're going to bring that top to the bottom and just kind of flatten it out. Now here's the easy way to do it. We're just going to pick a line. We're going to pick a line at the 19, and I'm putting this bottom tip at the 19, and I'm lining this up with a line. I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to put it on the left-hand side of the 19, because when I fold this right petal to the left, I want it to stop right there. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. So we're going to take it this right side. See how I did that? It folded it right to my finger and the 19, and just flatten it out. We're going to take this left side and it's going to go under. Okay, so we're going to take it and we're just going to flip it right under, bring it up the other side. Give that top a good smashing. Just like that. We're going to take these lines, line them up, and we're going 1 2 inches. So we're going to have a 2-inch tail. Grab you a band. Okay, so there is your pinwheel. Now, if you can't or don't like the way it turns out flipping it under, do it this way. So still a squared piece, top to the bottom. Lining it up at the 19, lining it up here. Take my finger to the left-hand side of the 19, fold my right to my left, and you can see I'm just kind of following this square right here, this line. Just like that. Now, if you can't flip it under, just flip it over. And we're going to do the same thing to this side. Still smashing that tip. Just like that. Gives us the exact same petal. Okay, so whether you flip it under or flip it over, the exact same petal. So whatever or however you feel most comfortable making these is how you're going to do it. Okay, now I want the natural on the inside and the navy on the outside. So what I'm doing is I'm going to tuck this navy into that natural. Just like that. And I'm bringing both ends to meet, and I'm just lining up the bands. And then to make it just a little bit easier, I'm going to band it again right over the bands that are already on there.